And the list of themes keeps growing. Here you see over 200 different themes, and it is not a complete collection. You see, there are endless ways to explore human experience through storytelling, no matter the subject you want to tackle. The important thing to remember is that once you choose a theme, it's not just a backdrop, something that you state once and move on from. It really has to be woven throughout your story. It's going to help shape your characters, your conflicts, and your resolution. So you might be wondering, how do you take a theme and make it feel real in a story? Well, one thing you need to know is that a strong theme isn't just stated. That would be too easy. It only really works well if it's felt as a truth by the audience. Because of that, it's got to be woven into every part of the narrative so that by the end, the audience understands it without needing to be told outright what it is. So, with that in mind, let me show you 4 ways to add themes to your story. The first way is to bring your theme to life through conflict between characters. When characters clash, they're forced to take action, make choices, and engage in conversations that reveal their values and beliefs. These moments don't just move the plot forward, they give the audience a chance to experience the theme in a real and emotional way. By weaving your theme into these conflicts, you make it more powerful and memorable. Another way to reinforce your theme is through motifs, which are repeating images, symbols, or details that subtly remind the audience of your story's central idea. In The Great Gatsby, Gatsby's lavish parties aren't just extravagant. They reinforce themes of excess, materialism, and the illusion of the American dream. By weaving motifs throughout your story, you create deeper, more immersive experience where the theme isn't just told, it's felt by the audience. Another way to bring your theme to life is through symbols, things like objects, characters, or settings that represent deeper ideas. A symbol can appear once for impact, or it can be woven throughout the story, reinforcing the theme over time. Again, The Great Gatsby provides a good example with the green light across the bay. It isn't just a light. It represents Gatsby's unreachable dream of being with Daisy. At the start, he reaches for it, but by the end, it remains distant, just out of grasp. Symbols like this add layers to a story, making themes resonate long after the final page. But the most powerful way to embed theme in your story, in my opinion, is through transformation. You want to start with the truth, something meaningful that you want to explore, and then flip it. Make your character believe the opposite of this truth, a lie that influences their choices. You can do that by digging into their past. When did they start believing this lie? Show how it affects their actions throughout the story, reinforcing their flawed perspective. Then, create a moment of clarity, a turning point where they finally recognize the truth and face the choice to accept it or reject it. This method works for any kind of storytelling, even social media. For example, let's say you're creating a post for a wellness brand about self-care. Start with a character who believes that self-care is selfish. Show where that belief came from. Maybe it was societal pressure or a busy lifestyle. Highlight how it negatively impacts their well-being, and then create a moment of realization where they shift their perspective, choosing self-care as an act of self-respect. This could be a short video, a carousel post, or a longer form story. No matter the format, this process makes themes feel real, personal, and impactful.